Hello! First of all, my name is Nixonader Sasa Gonzalez, identified by the code 1122141081. I am 21 years old. I was born in Acacias Meta. Now, I am a student of the Environmental Engineering program at UNAC in the School of Agriculture and Sciences, Livestock and the Environment. I am an assistant in a hardware store. I like music, reading, video games, and excursions. I live with my parents. Well, let's start with the presentation of the English Level 2. Last year, I went to San Jose del Guaviare to visit my brother. I stayed there for a week and went with my parents. I liked it because it was very cheap. I spent very little on transport and food. I liked it because it had natural beauty. For example, at sunset I went to the Guaviare River Port. The weather is very simple. During most of the year it is very sunny and very hot, but occasionally it is stormy. Um, so for this, I recommend using sunscreen. It is also necessary to bring mosquito repellent, as there are many. And it is important that you always bring fresh clothes. For example, shirts or blouses, shorts, flip-flops, tennis and hats. What should not people do? People should not visit the cave in the car, but on a motorcycle, since the road is quite difficult. People should not go to forest areas without a guide, as some places are dangerous. People should not go to remote tourist sites without their documents, since the exits are military safe. Finally, people should visit the Cape Paintings and the Stone City and the waterfalls. They should also try the gastronomy and visit the market square, since the natives sell artisanal products. Um, Thanks.